What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ricky 2 times back at you again with another video. Today I got something special. To show you guys with my GSXR 1000 2018 model. I got a bolt-on stretch, never been done before. First GSXR ever that's received a bolt-on stretch, 12-inch stretch. It's probably stretched out about 10 inches, but I gotta let the chain loosen up a little bit so I can be able to stretch it to full 12. But without further ado, let me show you guys what this stretch look like. Bam! Look at her, look at her. This is the bolt-on stretch. The stretch itself was like close to $400 with the brake lines and the chain, the actual stretch, say GSXR on it. I think she turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. With the first ever 2018 GSXR 1000 to receive a bolt-on stretch. I haven't seen it yet. I'm checking all online, Google Images, YouTube, nothing. Got my guys at Crazy Kevin Powell's to install it for me. Guys did a fine job. Took about 3 hours to do. Yes, she turned out real good. I also had to buy a 4-inch Lauren link for the rear. You just can't just slap this extension on. That's the Lauren link here. I can lower it or raise it however I feel. I told him to keep it at this height here. He let me sit on it before he actually bolted everything down. And I like the height. I'm 6'2", so I needed to keep it a little tall. I wasn't trying to slam it all the way on the ground, so. That's how she turned out, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for more. I got more coming for this bike. Plan on doing a full exhaust. That's to come very soon. And you know I got to get back to the Crown Vic. That's my next project. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Guys, I'm very excited. Got the bike stretched out. Lowered it. We'll lower the rear. Not gonna lower the front. Like the way the bike sits. Got my guys right here, get me right. Coming together.